Hey everyone, it's been a while, but it's SKIDZ here. So today's a big day for Big Mike again. He's about to pull up. Got all the tools and everything already set up. Got everything ready. Trying to do this quick and easy. But we are putting another welded diff in Mike's car here. And we're gonna try to do it quick. See if we can beat our records. And yeah, I'll show you the process of switching a diff on a Miata. Alright, so Mikey just pulled up, Connor did too. Time to put this thing in. His old open disc, his diff, his first one.
That blew up. Now it's welded.
Now it's welded. Big shout out to Platform. $69, right?
$69.11.
$69.11 for welded diff. Big shout out to Platform. We're thinking about dinner right now.
Huh?
Pizza. So yeah, we tried decision.
Guides got all fucking work.
Big advanced guy, man.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, so we don't know where to go, but I think we're Domino's. Yeah, Domino's. Okay, so first things first, you should take off the exhaust because it's gonna be way easier. Is that right, Mike?
Yeah. My same thing there, Russ.
Alright, but yeah, so that's gonna be the first step. Take off your exhaust from like test pipe or res or cat all the way back so you can get way more access. A little up video, they went and grabbed pizza, and so I took out the stock exhaust. It was a fucking shit show. One there, another one there. So they weren't not coming out, so used a little bit of this and it slid right on out. Perfect. So next thing under here, lube up all of the axle nuts on both sides, drive shaft nuts and bolts, loosen, put some WD on that, and then put some WD up on those right there, and it should come out like butter. Because you don't really want to break any of these, because it sucks when you break shit. But yep, that's the yeah.
Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot.
So a little tip here, grab a nice water bottle, put some brake cleaner in them, put the rusty old bolts and nuts in it, shake it up, let them sit, and then it'll be mint. Alright, so we got the PPF support beam out, we got the drive shaft out, got the the axle bolts out. So the last two would be those right there, the last two. So we're gonna quickly grab a jack and put it on here and get it started. So we're taking a quick little break. Get some heat. It's pretty cold out in Vic. You know. So the diff is coming out right now. So we're moving that little axle over there where Connor is. We're taking that one out. So it'll be nice and easy to take off. So yeah, and after that we're gonna take off that cap and put it on that, put some fluid on that, put that back in. Alright, so we got 3 jack stands, a little drain area, and it's slowly coming out. But yeah, it's a little setup, diff's out. Right, boys? That one pretty smooth. Yeah, we're pretty smooth. It's time we're gonna undo these. Put that one there. Back in the car. Alright, update video. We have the welded.
Fluid all over the ground.
Oh,
I was not prepared.
welded parts in. So we're gonna put. And now we're gonna put that back in the car and maybe do some skids.
Yeah, we're not going through all this effort not to do skids.
Oh, I guess we're doing skids. A little update video here. Diff. Diff is in. Axle bolts, nuts are going on. Drive shaft nuts and bolts are going on. Then drive and then exhaust, and then it's gonna be done, right?
How shoot my eyes?
It's going on right now. And then after that, car is gonna go on the ground, and yeah, pretty sick. Okay, we're warming it up right now. He's about to torque them. We put some little drifty spears on. So yeah, we're about to go for hot boy, and we're gonna see how it does. See how the Welded does his job. Yeah, we're gonna figure out if she sends or not. Okay, first little test drive. We pull out of my driveway, and it chirps. It chirps.
Okay, we're gonna scrape it after for Connor.
Oh, and there's a guy there. Oh, we did scrape the front lip here. So we're out here in our spot, and it's time to test out the diff. Yeah. Oh my. Holy man, turn off your headlights. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.